During the toolpath generation, we may spend time on renaming of toolpaths and tools. Also, sometimes it may take error while doing manual input. To avoid this, here having the macro to run this renaming of toolpaths and tools automatically. Only we have to specify the process of the particular toolpath. Here I'm going to run that particular macro. You just specify the process of the particular toolpath, say rough, so rest rough 1. Finally, engraving. So this will give an overall idea of how to renaming the toolpaths. Also, I'm going to run how tool name can be done. So I'm running the another macro here. So here it is not necessary to enter anything here. It automatically retrieves all the data from the inputs earlier.